I am making the bed in the morning. I am ironing clothes for tomorrow. I am cooking dinner for my family. I am watering flowers in the garden. I am washing dishes in the sink. I am buying groceries for home. I am sweeping the floor. I am mopping the kitchen floor. I am cleaning the dining table. I am wiping the windows. I am dusting the shelves. I am folding clean clothes. I am arranging the wardrobe. I am taking out the trash. I am washing the clothes. I am hanging clothes to dry. I am putting clothes in the dryer. I am changing the bed sheets. I am setting the dinner table. I am clearing the table. I am loading the dishwasher. I am unloading the dishwasher. I am cleaning the refrigerator. I am organizing the pantry. I am chopping vegetables. I am washing fruits. I am boiling water. I am making tea. I am brewing coffee. I am packing lunch boxes. I am storing leftovers. I am cleaning the stove. I am wiping the countertops. I am checking the grocery list. I am paying utility bills. I am arranging household papers. I am fixing a loose handle. I am changing a light bulb. I am vacuuming the carpet. I am cleaning door handles. I am polishing the furniture. I am airing the rooms. I am opening the windows. I am feeding the pets. I am watering indoor plants. I am trimming dry leaves. I am cleaning the balcony. I am refilling water bottles. I am cleaning the water filter. I am tidying the living room. I am cleaning the mirrors. I am organizing the drawers. I am cleaning the microwave. I am defrosting the freezer. I am ironing school uniforms. I am preparing breakfast. I am washing the rice. I am locking the doors. I am turning off the lights. I am checking the gas stove. I am setting the alarm clock. I am preparing clothes for tomorrow. I am sweeping the porch. I am watering the lawn.